Hello everyone. With the recent meteoric rise in cryptocurrency prices and Ethereum alone going up from $130 to around $2,000 in 1 year alone, you might be wondering how you can get started mining cryptocurrency and especially Ethereum on Linux. And that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do today. And it's actually very, very simple and very easy. And we're going to be using a mining pool called WoolyPooly. Um, so to set this up, we're actually so the first thing you're gonna need is a crypto wallet. So for Ethereum, MetaMask is very simple, and I'm just gonna add it to Brave. Brave also pays you with cryptocurrency if you don't know. And I'm just gonna create a new wallet as an example, and you're gonna create a new password, and you're gonna have your secret words. This doesn't really matter because I don't really need this account. I'm just gonna screenshot it. You need to save this phrase before you proceed, which is why it's gonna ask me to fill this out. Sudden dinner. And then that's basically all it takes to get your crypto account set up. Uh, Now we can copy your Ethereum password, and we're gonna need to set up our T-Rex miner, okay? Which is the next thing we're gonna do. So we're just gonna go T-Rex miner, and on GitHub we're gonna find the CUDA 11 version, which is a pretty recent version. And I already have it downloaded, so I'm not gonna download again, but it's right here. So I'm just gonna go to my downloads and extract it into my desktop. Okay. And then the last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go here, and then you're gonna get your crypto wallet key, and you're gonna find WoolyPooly, ETH WoolyPooly, so right here, and we're gonna edit this. So we're gonna replace this with your own key, so like this for me, and that's basically all you have to do to get it running. After that, you can rename this into just ETH, so for Ethereum, and we can boot it up and start mining. So, very simply, we're gonna cd into our desktop and t-rex -0. Okay, and then dash bin. Okay, and then from here, we're just gonna run ethereum.sh. So we're just gonna go /. So we're gonna go sudo /eth.sh. And after this, we're gonna be mining Ethereum on WoolyPooly. And so basically how this works is it gets shares at a lower difficulty of Ethereum, and it pulls in Ethereum with everyone on WoolyPooly. So my computer is slowing down a bit, but if I enter the wallet address right here, you might be able to see my computer in progress already, mining. So it hasn't loaded in yet, but I'll get back to you guys as soon as it does, and we'll see how fast my hash rate is. Alright, so as you guys can see, we're getting around 25 mega hashes per second. And with that, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, where I'm gonna go over how to overclock the 1660 Super, or any NVIDIA card on Linux for that matter, to increase your hash rates. And for example, you can get the 1660 Super almost to 32 to 30 mega hashes per second by overclocking its memory speeds. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, I guess. Bye. Thank you.